Hi Aries friends, welcome back to our channel Zazen Tarot Space, and let us see what the month of March 2023 is bringing for you. These are your cards. Let us take a look at the cards one at a time. So your oracle card to begin with, the Cave. With this card I can see that your focus will be on your inner world more than on the external world in the coming month. You will concentrate on that which you are thinking, which you are feeling. And in case you feel that there is complexity inside of your heart, then you will try and go inwards. Maybe, you may want to spend time with yourself, want to spend time alone, want to be with yourself, with your thoughts, maybe even meditate. All of this so that you can find the answers inside you. So I can see clearly here that the focus in March for you Aries is about how you are dealing with your inner world. Six of Wands. Little butterfly flying here. Six of Pentacles. Six of Swords. That's third 6 in a row. Okay, 6 and 6 and 6. Let's see which the four of Pentacles. Okay, now this is really interesting because 3 6s in a row. Whatever problems that you had been going through in the past will now begin to get resolved in the month of March. I see a lot of solutions coming for you in this month. With the Cave card here and with these 3 6s here, I am quite confident that the solutions will be both internal as well as external for you. So the issues that you had been facing around you with respect to whether it be work, whether it be finances, whether it be communication, people, relationships, I see that those issues will begin to get resolved successfully. Not only that, with the Cave card here, I can see that combined with these 3 6s, these solutions will also be internal. So whatever had been plaguing you, maybe any kind of inner doubt, self-doubt, lack of confidence, thoughts, negativity, emotional turmoil, any internal conflicts, you will be able to go inwards and find solutions there also. Also, I wouldn't be surprised if whatever is going on in your external world is actually just a reflection of your internal inner dilemmas and problems and issues. And the sooner you resolve your inner state, you will see the immediate solutions coming up in the world around you. So your inner world will manifest as your outer world, your outer circumstances immediately. With the 4 of Pentacles here, I'm very optimistic that you will see stability and comfort, especially financially. Even in terms of all other worldly matters, this is a good month. In terms of successes, it is an excellent month. In terms of travel, you could see travel coming up. Okay, this is a month to be kind, to share, to care, to give and to receive. Traveling. Let us see what's going on in your inner world. Receptivity. So here, with the travel and the receptivity card, accompanied with the cave card, and then the Six of Swords here. So I see not only external but also inner travel. Digging deep into yourself, and with the receptivity card, I see that digging into yourself and introspection will make you more receptive, will make you more sensitive, will make you more intuitive. This is the month where people who want to study, who are trying to focus on things, will see that their mind focuses very easily. With a little bit of concentration, you will see hasty, speedy developments. Also, with a little bit of focus, you'll be able to see very good results in meditations, in yoga practices, in being able to receive messages and intuitive, guidance from within, which will eventually lead to the external successes that we were talking about. Empress card. Lovely card for work and for business. I see growth on that front, and the Three of Wands in your love life. Okay. So with the Empress card here, I see that whatever effort you put in terms of work, career, businesses, will bear fruit with exactly so it will be directly proportionate. You will get results as per the efforts you put in. Empress card is actually excellent for growing your business. Even in terms of work and career, you want to climb up the ladder. March will be a good month for you. And then the Three of Wands here shows that people who are single will be on the lookout of a long-term partner. Someone whom you can actually maybe even plan life with. It will be about finding someone whom you feel is compatible emotionally, materially, in terms of, maybe someone at work, or in terms of business, someone you can collaborate with, travel with. Travel is also a big theme here. So traveling, I see outward, so you can travel to a different place. I see traveling inward, that is going deep within you. And then I see traveling with respect either to traveling to a partner. For those who are in a long distance relationship, you may be traveling to your partner, or else you may look for a partner to travel with. Now, for those of you who are already in a relationship, you may also even focus on planning what you want to do with your relationship in the future, how you see it in the coming times. Do you want to take it up further, one step further? So these are the kind of questions you will be reflecting upon internally, and then try and kind of manifest it in your life. However, more than focusing on planning out with your partner, I see you going inward and thinking about what you want to do. It is not about you and your partner sitting and deciding what you want to do in the future. It is more about you turning inward and then focusing on how you want to take this relationship forward. And then, of course, the next step could be discussing it with your partner. But that is subsequent abruptly, and I don't see it happening in the month of March. So Aries, this is what March 2023 is bringing for you. I wish you all the very best. Bye-bye.